Now, around 118 freight trucks carrying gas, petroleum gas and other essential commodities which have been stranded in Jiribam for more than a week has departed from Jiribam for Imphal today, along with security convoy. The freight trucks escorted by CRPF convoy left Jiribam from 6:25 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. The 118 freight trucks were 18 LPG bullet tanks, 21 petrol tankers, 26 diesel tankers, 2 ATF tankers, 22 FCI trucks, 9 cement trucks, 10 fertilizer trucks, 1 transport truck, 1 truck carrying poultry feed, and 7 trucks carrying noodles left Jiribam today. Despite 118 freight trucks has departed for Imphal, 93 freight trucks, which includes 30 petroleum tankers, 37 LPG tankers, and 25 trucks which carries essential commodities, are still stranded in Jiribam.